Well, howdy, folks. General back to you. I'm going to remake one of my old videos. I've gone through and eliminated all the videos that I had on my YouTube channel, starting over again. I'm going to show you how to take one of these grocery bags and get it down to size where you can carry it. First thing you do, you shake it out, looking in it, all sides, making sure there's no holes or rips in it, because you don't want to save a ripped one. Keep holding on to that handle, drop the other one, and reach down there and stick your thumb in that offset in the bag, like that, and hold it. Now, don't try to do this with wet hands. It won't work. You gotta have dry hands, because it'll stick to everything. And put your hand on there, just wrap it around it, and pull it through it while you're holding your thumb in this. And rock it over like that, and reel it in like you're bringing in fly line, and get it up there and hold it like that, and open that handle up. Put it back over that, twist it, put it on, twist it again, put it on, till you get to here. Twist it around a couple of times, and then put that handle back on, back over everything, and squeeze it out good. Now this right here is what you come up with. All right. To open it up, get that little tag, get a little loop right here. Stick your finger in it. Take your other finger and push that out. And open it like that. If you reach up at the top and pull it, 9 times out of 10 you're going to tear it. You shake it out, you've got it to go again. Okay, now I'm going back through it again. Hold one handle, stick your thumb in there. I'm going to back up where you can see me easier. Press it down, walk it up. Turn it around. Squeeze the air out of it and get that handle. Put it around everything. Twist it at least twice. Put that loop back over. Now you don't ever want to take your finger out of that loop till you put it over there, or you'll lose it. Then you have to start over again. You squeeze all the air out of it. Now let me tell you what you do with that. You can carry 2 or 3 of these in your back pocket and don't even miss the area. Oh, now I like to, when I've got a post office box, when I go get my mail, I'll carry 2 of these with me. One for me and one for somebody else in case they need it. You know, if they've got a lot of mail, they're up here trying to fight it. Do you want a bag for that? You got one? Yeah, sure. You pull this out. So what the heck is that? So it's a bag. You just stick your finger in there like that. Walk it up. Take it apart like that. And hold it out there for them. Let them put their mail in it and then hand it to them like that where they can put it on their hand and go. How did you do that? Now I'm just telling you, over a period of years, you hear this. So you've got another one in your pocket for yours. Shake it out, open it out, show them how to do it, the inspection and all that. Fold it over, walk it up, turn it around, put the handle back on it, like that. twist it around a couple of times. And it's easiest if it's on the short end when you put that handle back on there, because there's not as much to go around. Squeeze the air out of it and you're good to go again. Okay, now I was an electrician by trade, and I always carried 4 or 5 of these in my tool pouch all the time. When I got to a place that I was going to be working, I'd take one of them out, shake it out. I'd either hang it on something, or I'd tape it open or something where it was open. So when I was cutting the insulation, I'd just drop it in the bag. Or if I cut off a piece of wire that was stranded, all those little pieces is going everywhere, I'd do it over the bag. And that way, when I got done, I didn't have a mess in the floor. It was all in the bag. And I'd tie one knot on it, hang it over a screwdriver on the pouch, put the pouch on my shoulder, and I'd boogity. Get to another place, open that one out, hang it back up, do it some more. And when I got enough in it, I'd just tighten the knot, hang it back on the screwdriver on the pouch. And when I walked by a garbage can, I'd just take it off and drop it in the garbage can. And I had 3 or 4 more of these in my pouch. And I could always give one to somebody, you know. I got a bunch of folks started on it. And they're good for getting your mail. Now me, I got a cane on one side just for my balance. Keeps me out of the floor. And if you got a cane over here and you're trying to carry drinks and you know, you got a couple of cups, you know, and burgers and whatever else, and they don't have a big bag to put it in most of the time. So you pull one of these out and you tear it down in front of them, set it up there and put all your stuff in it, and you pick it up in one hand and you boogity with the cane on the other side. And they're saying, hey, how'd you do that? So you got another one in your pocket, you show them. And that's another person you've got started on it. And tell them to pass it on. Well, I will. I'll pass that on. See? Always have one with you for you, and at least one more with you for somebody else. And keep spreading the news. All right, I've done that thing 3 times for you. I'm sure you know what that thing looks like. Now you can carry it in your gym bag. So put your drawers and stuff in after you've done sweated in them. Put them in there and tie them up. Throw them back up in there so it keep all the stink in one spot. And you don't transfer it to your canvas bag or whatever. So keep a few of these in there. If you camp, take some of these with you for garbage so you don't litter. Or keep some of these I like to make up these things after I shop. The ones that I don't tie the tops on, I have to cut off. I make these up, and then I put them in another bag and put them in the floorboard of my car. That way I've always got some of these for my mail or drinks or whatever else. So you do that, or shake one open and hang it over something in your car for a garbage bag, so you're not dumping stuff out the window like a litter bug. And so there's just a few things that you can use that for. So y'all like and subscribe, hit the bell, make comments, and I've got all my comments turned on now. And I'm going to try to put out a video all ever so often. I eliminated all of them. Wished I hadn't, but I got upset with the internet, and I just said, heck with it. I was fixing to get off everything. But it's a habit that is hard to break. But anyway, this General, I'm out.